still spending hours copying, pasting, and formatting in Excel? What if you could do it all in just one click? That's the power of Excel VBA. And it's the secret tool that top analysts and finance pros use to save hours and work smarter. Here's the good news. You don't need to know how to code. You just need the right hands-on training. Introducing the Basic Excel VBA course, a beginner-friendly course that teaches you how to automate repetitive Excel tasks from scratch. Created by an industry expert, this course is built to help you automate faster and work better. Here's what you'll learn in this course. How to write your first VBA script using variables and data types. Build logic with if, case, and loop structures. Automate sorting, filtering, and formatting. Create your own custom VBA functions. Build a real-world Excel automation project, step by step. This course is fully online and self-paced, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. You'll also earn a certificate of completion to showcase your new skills. Thousands of learners trust our courses to level up at work. Check out the reviews and sample videos right here on the course page. This isn't just about learning VBA. It's about saving time, boosting efficiency, and becoming the Excel expert everyone counts on. Ready to stop repeating and start automating? Enroll now in the Basic Excel VBA course and make Excel work for you.